Today we're making oven-baked crispy chicken. As I can't handle too much fat, I love this chicken recipe. You'll need about 400 to 500 gram chicken breasts, 150 gram milk, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of hot sauce, 50 gram cornflakes, 50 gram breadcrumbs, and some salt. Slice the chicken breasts, if they are really thick, into thinner pieces and place them on a baking sheet and beat them until they are about 1 centimeter in thickness. You can cut them into smaller pieces, but this is optional. I just wanted to have some smaller portions. Now add the hot sauce and whisk it a bit. Then put the milk mix and the chicken into a container of your choice and let it rest for a few hours. You can do this the night before as well if you want to. Now take half of the cornflakes and crush them with your hands slightly. You will want to have some crispy pieces on your chickens after all. Take the other half and put it into a food processor together with some salt and the paprika. I added a bit of black pepper to have it a bit spicier. When you have made this really thin, mix it with the breadcrumbs and the other cornflakes as well. Take your chicken out of the milk and evenly cover them with your cornflakes mixture. Now you can bake them at about 200 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes. You should check that the chicken isn't raw anymore and still crispy on the outside. You can reduce the heat a bit if the chicken is still raw, but don't overbake it either, else it will be very dry. Always know your oven. Don't blindly trust my instructions. I hope you'll be able to enjoy these yummy chicken. All the information for this recipe is in the description below, along with different types of measurements and other information. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to like and subscribe.